Morning. I had a bit of lion today. Just been in the shower, which is really nice. It's got 4 different options of water coming out in different patterns. Oh, yeah, posh shower. So in Zeebrugge, focus on that. There we are. And I'm gonna go and get some breakfast, and then I have like a session all about NCL this morning. And then I'm going to explore the ship and have a fake sea day. I like Zeebrugge, but this is my 5th time here this year, so I'm not going to explore. I am going to have a fake sea day and explore this beautiful ship. I headed to the Indulge food hall again. I had lunch there yesterday. I headed there for breakfast, and lunch and dinner time, you order on the iPad and food gets delivered. At breakfast time, it's a help yourself. So each different station within the food hall has a different breakfast offering. It's a great place to go for a nice relaxing breakfast.
The lift is going up.
the outside seating area of Los Lobos, I think, instead. The Mexican place. I'm eating there tonight. And then there's the ship. Big. Give it a slide. And then here's Zeebrugge. I have to try and do this when we're at sea as well. It's not quite the same with an oil tanker underneath, is it? A bridge of people re-embarking the ship. But yeah, this is quite cool. Not for the faint-hearted, eh? If it takes me, it'll take anyone. If I'm up on the Norwegian Prima Speedway, it's their go-kart track. You can see one of the go-karts there. They've just finished a race. Someone's won. I'm in the press area. Whee! I don't know if you can see that. So hopefully they'll start another race in a minute. I've just taken some videos. I'll show you. But the racetrack is down there. It's also over there. And goes up a hill, over there. It goes over three decks, and it looks pretty fun. It's nice and sunny in Zeebrugge today. I don't know if you can see all this, but oh, there's a car reversing there. Oh, it's a double car. Well, that's cool. So there are pits there that lady's reversing back into, although I don't think she managed to. There are cars, you can see them all down there. So this, down there, is the lower deck of the track, and then there's an upper deck there. And then there's another deck somewhere, maybe on the other side of the funnel, because it goes on 3 different decks. And then there's like a hill up over here you can watch cars come up on, which is quite cool. Before, when they were going round, they've stopped at the moment. There. So it goes up. Oh look, the entrance to the pits is down there. So that's all the drivers there. They told us this morning that Orlando Bloom holds the record, apparently. I'm not sure if it does, or they were just if he does rather, or they were just name dropping. I think they were name dropping. Oh. Oh dear, things are happy. But yeah, what a novelty, a racetrack on a ship. I mean, I've gone to a racetrack on my Azamara Monaco Grand Prix cruise. I've never had a racetrack actually on a ship. It's exciting. It's about $15, I think it is, to use it, and I'm not sure how many races you get for that, or how long on the racetrack you get. It seems to be when they decide they want to stop you, they stop everyone, and everyone just stops wherever they are. There's a man stopped right on the edge of the hill before. But no, it looks like great fun. Oh, I don't know if you can see this at the beginning of the slide there, look. Let's watch them go. Sorry, something's flashing. Oh, it's a screen. Get that out of the way. There we are. This is a slide in which you can go down the outside of the ship. It's a dry slide, but you go... Oh, he's been pushed. And you race your friend, but you know, he got a head start then. They look like crew. I'm glad they're having fun. There's 2 more going. They're waiting for their green light. going to watch people today and then maybe I'll go have a go tomorrow. Although I think I'll have a go on the drop one. There's height and weight restrictions on them. I think I've taken screenshots, so I'll put them on. But the weight restrictions are really high. There's something like 150 kilograms, so I expect most people who can fit in that tunnel will be able to get on that slide. I've been waiting for a while. Looks like no one's stuck. I have to wait for them to clear the bottom, I guess. Oh, there's been radio contact. Oh, they've got the green light. Oh, off they go. Yay. Oh, she hasn't gone yet. She's having a push. There, she's done. I'm not entirely sure what these guns are for. Yep, on the racetrack. Oh, I can shoot at them. Ah, moving targets shoot at all karts with a green light. Oh, I might try that when they come past. You see the board? This appears to be the pits. I don't know, in charge, electric. See those green lights on the top? Make them shooting targets for the people watching. Ever wanted to play darts outside on a cruise ship? You can on Norwegian Prima. There's even a sofa. You feel like you're in a right old pub. And then, I'm at another one here. Now I went to the Prima Theatre to watch Summer, the Donna Summer musical. It was a brilliant, absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend you go and see.